thunderstorm warning for northeastern Spalding County in west central Georgia, east central Fayette County in north central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, southern Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lovejoy, or 7 miles southeast of Jonesboro, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Stockbridge, Hampton, Lovejoy, Woolsey, Sunnyside, Lakesville, Toalaga, Inman, Bonanza, Luella, Atlanta Motor Speedway, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Irondale, Walker Mill, and Experiment. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
When we started selling my health products online, our shipping process was painfully slow. Then we found ShipStation. Now we're shipping out orders 5 times faster, and we're saving a ton.
Go to ShipStation.com/TV and get 2 months free.
Not him. This girl's name is Derek. Too old. Too medium-aged.
Ooh, great reviews. Available tomorrow? Booked. Dr. Hamilton is perfect for me.
Search, read reviews, book a doctor.
Is your teen addicted to social media? Are they showing signs of depression or eating disorders? Listen up. This could concern you. A whistleblower has reported that their platform was knowingly exposing children to dangerous topics and posts. The whistleblower claims that this algorithm is also causing body image issues, eating disorders, and more. What's worse is that social media company was shown the research and had done nothing about it. Turns out they've known about it for years. If your child has shown signs of suicide risk, mental health issues, and/or an eating disorder, you could be entitled to compensation. We're representing other families just like yours. Do not delay. Morgan & Morgan, for the people.
Call 800-602-3800. 800-602-3800. That's 800-602-3800. Call now.
Falls are the #1 cause of injury to senior citizens. Acorn Stairlifts has the solution. Just don't relax. Ride with an Acorn Stairlift, the world's leader in stairlifts. Don't let limited mobility keep you from going up and down your stairs, even outside. Call Acorn Stairlifts now for a free information.